Hi guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. I did not look after myself in this lockdown. This situation scares me. To divert my mind into doing something, I'm gonna take care of my hair. I thought I will give my scalp and hair a good massage. So I prefer this Sesa Ayurvedic hair oil. This oil is very nourishing and that's why I prefer this. As I told you, I did not take care of my hair and my hair has become very dry, rough and lifeless. They boil 26 medicinal herbs like bringraj, banyan tree extracts, hibiscus and 6 oils like coconut, sesame, lemon in pure cow's milk for 22 hours. And that's what makes it so effective. It contains no mineral oil, no parabens, no sulphates. It strengthens the hair follicles and prevents hair fall and thinning. It supports hair growth and repairs hair damage. It prevents premature graying. I apply this hair oil from top to bottom and then put a bun. And I'm sure this is gonna do all of this because this is a natural Ayurvedic hair oil. We Indians, we all believe in the grandma's secret recipe and that's what it is. And it's also based on like Ayurvedic herbal kind of a treatment for your hair. So what made me excited is that it uses banyan tree extracts. I've never used or never seen a hair oil that uses banyan tree extracts and this is kinda interesting. This comb applicator gives a nice gentle massage to my scalp. Also leave this hair oil overnight, but I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour and then take a bath. To rinse my hair with, I'm gonna use the Sesa Ayurvedic shampoo. It's the India's first Ayurvedic sulphate and paraben free shampoo plus conditioner. This also has conditioner in it, so you don't have to use a separate conditioner. It contains 26 medicinal herbs like again banyan tree, bringraj, hibiscus and natural conditioning agents for your hair. Its sulphate free formula cleanses hair gently. So I've been using this shampoo and oil for like a month. This shampoo is my favorite so far because it is a gentle cleanser. It is not too harsh on the scalp and it's very gentle. It is suitable for chemically treated or colored hair. It conditions the hair naturally. It prevents hair fall and breakage and repairs hair damage. Results will start showing you after 7 to 8 washes and a significant improvement in hair and scalp condition is seen after 3 months of usage. So which means you need to be using this shampoo and hair oil combo for 3 months to see visible results. So I've been using this for a month and what results I get is my hair has become 10 frizz-free. Surprisingly, the Sesa Ayurvedic hair oil costs just for rupees 180. This is stunning guys when they use like rare Ayurvedic ingredients and they are priced at just for rupees 180 bucks. And the shampoo is priced at rupees 198 only. I will put the links in the description box if you're interested in buying a hair oil that uses 5,000-year-old technique to prepare this hair oil. So give it a try, see if it works for you. But keep in mind guys, consistency is the key. Anything for that matter. Consistency is the key. You need to be using this for 3 months to see the visible result. So if you want to divert your mind and take time in self-pampering, try this product. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Dipti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay home guys. Please. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.